Hi, so this week we're talking about fitness. Now, no, I'm not going to give you a diet plan or a workout routine to follow. That is not what I'm trying to do over here. I'm here to tell you that physical fitness is one of the biggest contributors in your mental health. Well, how you ask? That is why we are having this talk. So, one misconception that a lot of people have is to be physically fit, you need to follow a diet plan or you need to go to the gym for hours a day. No. You can achieve physical fitness by doing very basic things. A morning walk can help. 15 minutes of yoga can help. Every once in a while you can go for hiking. Yes, definitely you can join gym, but you definitely do not need to spend hours over there. At the most 30 minutes. And that too not every day. 4 to 5 times a week, it's more than enough. And yes, that will give you physical fitness. You don't need to put yourself through diet and those horrible workout hours. You don't need to put yourself through all that torture. How physical fitness can affect your mental health? Let's say, for example, you start doing any activity for 30 minutes in a day. As you get fitter and fitter, you will start realizing that you have a lot more energy now. And of course, having a lot of energy throughout the day really helps you. It helps you in your work. Now you can work more efficiently. You're not as tired as you are always. And just because you had so much of energy to spend, you did spend that energy. You'll get a better sleep. And the next day you'll wake up with more energy. So if everything is going right and everyone is happy, you're able to finish your work in time. You're able to meet your deadlines. You're able to give time to your family and your friends. You're getting better sleep. Isn't that going to make you happy? So that clearly affected your mental health. Just by doing some sort of physical activity to reach your physical fitness, you're automatically a much happier and a much healthier version of yourself. And who doesn't want that? Right? I hope that helps. And that is it for this week. I hope you guys found something useful out of this video. If you guys did, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. And with that, I'm signing off. Be yourself, be unique. Until next time. Bye-bye.